അടുത്തതായി vote of thanks by Swapna Murugesan.
Good evening, everyone. I hope you all have been enjoying today's fun-filled cultural evening. Without further ado, I would like to proceed with a vote of thanks. On behalf of the 2024 Executive Committee team, I'd like to express our sincere gratitude to the Gramam community for granting us the privilege to serve you. We are truly humbled and appreciative of the trust and confidence you have placed in us. It has been our utmost priority to provide exceptional service and meet your needs to the best of our abilities. Thank you once again for allowing us the opportunity to be part of your journey. I'd like to extend our sincere gratitude to each member of the audience who graciously dedicated their valuable time and chose to be part of this inaugural event of the year. Your presence and support have truly made a significant impact and have contributed to the success of this event. We cannot express enough how grateful we are for your sacrifice of family time and your commitment to attending on a Sunday. We are grateful for your enthusiastic response, generous applause, and appreciation for each performance. Thank you for being a wonderful audience and for making this event a memorable one. Thank you, participants and coordinators who have worked diligently to put on a captivating and high-energy performance. Their commitment to balancing their work, studies, and family commitments while devoting their valuable time to rehearsals and practice sessions is truly commendable. I also want to acknowledge the immense support from the families of these talented individuals without whom their achievements would not have been possible. On behalf of Gramam, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude for the overwhelming support and generosity of our sponsors. Without their contribution, today's cultural evening would not have been possible. We are truly humbled and privileged to have their support. Our sponsors have not only provided financial assistance, but have also shown their belief in our cause and vision. Their support has helped us in organizing this fun-filled and culturally enriching event. We are grateful for their commitment to promoting art, culture, and community development. We would like to extend a special thank you to each and every sponsor who has contributed to this event, starting with our diamond sponsors, Blessing Joe's James River Reality, India K. Raja, Hyderabadi Biryani House, Dr. Babu Stephen Foundations, Namaste India Palace, Wine and Dine. Our platinum sponsors, Johnson Thangachan, Fathom Reality, Elizabeth George, Virginia Capital Reality, Suvarna Krishnamurthy, Keaton & Co., and Mehtap Group, Financial Group Limited. Our gold sponsors, Commonwealth Insurance Agency, United Smiles, Car Guys and Thomas Towing, Market Cafe, Aha Restaurant, and Bobby Matthews United Real Estate. Our silver sponsors, Maharaja, Visitor God, Royal Bazaar, Lakshmi Palace, RVA Physical Therapy, Barkat Financial Services, and Kishti Dental Center. Your support has made a significant impact on the success of this evening. We value your partnership and hope to continue working together in the future. I'd like to extend a sincere appreciation and recognition to the subcommittees, Women's Forum, Safety, Membership, Cultural, Light and Sound, and Transportation. Your dedicated coordination and unwavering support were instrumental in ensuring the success of the event. We are truly grateful for your tireless efforts and relentless assistance throughout the planning and execution process. Thank you. Volunteers play a crucial role in the success of any event. Special thanks to kids Gauri, Shivani, and Joseph, thanking all volunteers who were instrumental in organizing the event to ensuring that all attendees are provided with a delightful meal. Lastly, I'd like to extend my sincere gratitude to each and every member of the 2024 EC committee team for their unwavering dedication and hard work in organizing an exhilarating evening to cherish. Thank you all.